Hello, welcome to Student Success 101 series. My name is Michael and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. Today's video is going to be a short introduction to this series and kind of what it entails. Okay, so the Student Success 101 series will be a series of tips, hacks, suggestions, practices that can help you be successful here at Lehigh Carbon Community College, or in your career, or in your personal life, or maybe all the above. So we're going to share a bunch of tips from our experiences, give you some insights and things like that that will hopefully help you be more successful while you're here. Our tips can include things like study skills, like how to read better, how to take notes better, right? Time management, how to organize everything that's going on in your life, right? All your classes and your work schedule. All right, we'll talk about some tips on grade management, on how you can have a little more control over your grades and how to be more successful academically. Motivation tips about how you possibly can kind of get moving when you don't feel like doing anything. Right? Some essential mindsets, some mindsets that will help you hopefully grow as a person, but also grow as a student so you can be successful here. Some things that we're calling college essentials, things that I think we sometimes take for granted in higher ed, that we kind of know, but things that maybe as a student you may not realize, right? So we're going to give you some tips and suggestions about things you absolutely positively must know to be successful while you're in college, and more. Right? We have a lot of other ideas flowing around in our heads, and we want to share those tips to help you be successful. Right? But also reach out to us if you have a topic you would like us to discuss. We will happily figure out how to do a video on it, any topic whatsoever. All right, so biggest thing I can tell you here is to be successful here at Lehigh Carbon Community College, you have to reach out to your supports. Reach out to us, okay? We want you to be successful. So look for more videos in the Student Success 101 series and reach out to us. And remember, here at Lehigh Carbon Community College, we really do care about your success. All the best.